Wamedo kwayo chang mapio na Kevin kode Kibet kwa dhimbele nyakora mgaji wang Kweth Linda Mwananchi koro seo sirikal mamalo kod mar kaunti ma Homa Bay e monj mag siasa manyoti more Homa Bay. Kweth no koro kone duol matao yiero kod kio pachoka IEBC mondo tam josiasa moyud kod siao tulo. Hinyoganda kod neke kinde mag rombe siasa tam gilaro kombe yiero mabiro. Gikoni apisas magi magarita kwe manyoyudo hinyruok yudo thieth e kinde mare mosaso gikaluwore gi kit hinyruok maricho manegi yudo.
Several of our vehicles were hauled with stones and other projectiles by terrorists standing just 200 meters away from a police block at Rangwe. Evidently, the police were not interested in stopping the real criminals. They only wanted to make sure that we were able to defend ourselves when attacked.
You can block roads, but you can never block the determination of the people. You can kill people using guns and thugs, but you can never kill the spirit of a nation that has decided to bring changes in this country.
They must tell us who in the security system was tracking us electronically and telling the goons where we were and how we were moving. They must, because we know they were doing it.